Hi everyone. Today's video is about showing the recipe for today's meal. Please keep watching.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see.
To start, 3 large boneless chicken breasts, 2 cups of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, a half cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup shredded Parmesan cheese, 6 slices of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup marinara sauce, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 2 teaspoons of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic. After you clean the chicken breast, slice the breast in half to create 6 chicken pieces. Place the chicken breast in a bowl. Add the salt, garlic, black pepper, and mix well. Cover it and put in the fridge for 15 minutes. In the other bowl, combine the eggs and milk and stir well. In the Ziploc bag, combine the flour and breadcrumbs and mix well. After 15 minutes, put the chicken breast into the eggs and milk mixture and mix it together. Coat the chicken with flour and breadcrumbs in the Ziploc bag and put in the freezer for another 15 minutes. Place a frying pan over medium heat and add vegetable oil. After 8 minutes, add 3 chicken cutlets at a time and fry for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Add some marinara sauce and place all the chicken cutlets in a baking pan. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat each cutlet with marinara sauce. Add the mozzarella and Parmesan, then top with parsley flakes. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes and broil up to 3 minutes. Thank you for watching, guys, and please feel free to subscribe to Cathlaine's channel. I'm ready to eat the chicken parmesan. I'm very hungry. It looks very good.